Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how a typical village lunch is being prepared. Okay, so stay with me and let's enjoy the video. So in today's video we are going to be preparing yam slice with kontomire sauce. I mean, in a local way. So we were very hungry and we were in a hurry as well, so we wanted any food that would be very quick to prepare. So we decided to prepare yam slice in the village, guys. So this is our spices, our pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, and everything. And we don't joke with our dry fish. Okay, this particular dry fish is very sweet. And this is my auntie stirring what we call tz. She was sending it to the farm, so she was preparing hers separately so they can send it to the farm to work. And this is my little cousin that tried to show me that she can actually stir the tea. That I was like, whoa, I'm proud of you. So when the tea was ready, this is her scooping it out. And then after they scoop it out, they'll just put it in a bowl and then send it to the farm. So yeah, this is me now trying to start the sauce. This is palm oil. Okay, so we would nicely pour the palm oil in the pot and allow it heat up, and then we add our onion because we want to give it a taste. Sometimes we can just fry this onion in the oil like this and use it for the yam, but today was different. So what I grinded, the fish and the spices, this is what I'm scooping into the hot oil. So I'll stir it nicely and allow it to boil, guys. This food, it was very delicious. So there was my cousin that brought food that I should fetch the sauce into it so he could enjoy and then go out. So I was like, okay, so you want to eat this food at all costs. Yeah, that was just by the way. So I would stir it nicely after washing the grinding bowl inside it. So these are the leaves we're going to be using. These leaves are called kontomire, cocoyam leaves. Oh my god, so delicious, very rich in iron, rich in vitamin. Okay, so after washing it, I'll just put it inside the sauce and allow it steam. All right, we allow it steam, guys. At this point the aroma so you allow the leaves to steam. After I turn it around, I just had to add a little water to it. Okay, so it can steam really well. So we had to add some eggs, but unfortunately the eggs got spoiled. One that was not spoiled, so I had to use the other one in the sauce, guys. We're very sad because I was supposed to use the two though. So yeah, this is me breaking it inside the sauce. I will allow it to steam with the leaves and all that. When you get this type of sauce in the village, you are in heaven. I tell you, you are in heaven. At this point the aroma was wow, guys. This is natural, no spices, no chemicals, very raw. So after I was done, this is the yam, guys. So this is me trying to peel up the yam for the boiling, guys. We were many actually. My buddies, when I go to the village, my buddies are my village kids, so they're always full in my house. So when I'm preparing food, I make sure I prepare for all of us. Yes. So this is after peeling the yam. I would just slice it nicely into reasonable sizes so that it can easily cook, and then we do justice to it, guys. So yeah, this is me slicing it nicely, and afterwards I washed it very well so that the sand on the yam will be off it, guys. This is a natural yam straight from the farm. I even shot a video of how to harvest yam, which I'll be posting very soon. So after washing it, I had to rinse it again to make sure the sand is out of it. Okay, So yeah, guys, after rinsing, the next thing is to put it on fire. So this is our fire, guys. I just kept it on fire, and I'll add salt to make it taste. Oh my god, guys. So at this point, I opened to check if this yam was ready, and of course it was, guys. It was very soft, very smooth. Oh my god, guys. So I would have to drain the water or the stock from it. Am I right, guys? So after draining it like this, it was now time to serve the food. Oh my god, look at all that, very soft. Oh my god. In the village we even enjoy this yam without sauce, you know. So adding sauce to this yam is a plus. So this cat was like, oh my god, I'm hungry. So it was coming to take the food, to eat the food in the bowls, but I didn't agree to that. So yeah, I mean, this was me serving. The one in the bowl was actually for the people inside the house. There were about 6 people, and me and the children, our own is in the earthen bowl, guys. So at this point, those children were like, we are hungry. Oh. Said okay. So after serving those people in the house, I decided to bring the whole pot for us to also do justice to it. So this is us, guys. This is us. So enjoying our food. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell me what you think about this video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'd love you. If you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Please watch my ads as well, so that YouTube will pay me well. So at this point, don't look at these children like small like this. You think, okay, I'm gonna eat leaving them. They were actually eating and leaving me, guys. These children are just fun to be with, you know. Yeah, and this was us enjoying our food, minding our business, and after the food, we had to do our games and all that, because if I tell them everybody go to your house, they'll be like, no, 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 we want to play. So yeah, we did games. And yeah, guys, if you love this video, please, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all those that have been supporting us. God bless you. We really appreciate. Bye, guys.